Hey Jackson, what time is it?
It's Volvo time.
It's Volvo update time. What are we doing?
We're, making, I don't know.
You don't know?
No!
You know what this is?
What?
Carburetor.
Carburetor.
Yeah.
That's good. So
Yeah.
we're
Does
making
that make you happy?
Yeah, I think we're making a carburetor today.
No, we're putting a carburetor on a Volvo.
Yes!
We used to have a bunch of fuel injection stuff that I couldn't get working right.
Yes.
All right.
That thing.
Volvo update. Super exciting stuff. First thing we're going to look at is the level or lack thereof. I've got our cylinder head is clean. If you look here, this is where the car is sitting on somewhat level ground and the bubble's almost in the middle. Now, whenever I put this over here on the carburetor, we're a little bit out of level here, so it wouldn't hurt for this thing whenever I make the final adapter to come up about 1/8 of an inch or 3/16 on that side. Good stuff to know. I've got it just bolted down and kind of laying on there with my cylinder head that's clean. We've got more work to do to that.
My dad's right.
Who's right? All right. All right, so we're also looking at the fact that here's our throttle linkage, and that's in a really good spot, so we should be able to just modify this bracket. Also looking at where we need vacuum. I'm going to need a vacuum source. Probably have to weld something on the bottom of the carburetor for our power brake booster, and maybe for our new distributor, which has a vacuum advance. Now I'm going to pause this and do a highly sophisticated measuring for hood clearance. As promised, highly sophisticated. What do you think about this, Jackson? Okay, me too. Wait.
I said, yes, I remember.
Scary stuff. Okay, if my assistant will hand me the tape measure, now I can really see like what we have in theory. We got about 2 1/4 inches over the vent tube. 4 1/2 inches over the base of that. So we've got room for an air cleaner. We don't have much room this way from the power brake booster, but so we might have to have more of a rectangular shaped air cleaner. But this shows kind of my hood clearance because I just put this piece of plywood, this piece of 2x4 across where the hood closes. We probably actually got a little bit more room than that because the hood swells in the middle, but yeah. So we're in good shape now, aren't we?
That's killer, yeah.
So this is cool. This makes me happy. This 2-barrel carburetor that I made out of spare stuff.
Here, I'll hold this for you, okay?
Okay, hold that for me. Our new intake manifold, which we're modifying, and we're still going to have to modify a little bit more, either put some longer studs here or something's different about the marine motor. And we're going to spruce this baby up. It's going to have polished aluminum and billet stuff, and maybe we'll have the header ready to go to replace the rusty, old, crusty exhaust manifold. And then we'll go from 70 horsepower to maybe 73 horsepower. But as long as it cranks up and runs every time, Daddy's going to be happy.
Yep.
So stay tuned.
Yep, stay tuned.